Some journeys aren't just about destinations, they change the way you see the world. Welcome to Spiti, the land of high mountain passes, ancient monasteries, endless roads, and silence so powerful you can actually hear your thoughts. Over the next 8 days, we'll drive through some of the most breathtaking landscapes in India, discover hidden villages, experience the raw beauty of Himalayas, and chase moments that feel straight out of a dream. This is Spiti Valley. Let the adventure begin.
Hi guys, good morning from Nako. It's been a very good morning for us. We've been enjoying the views from the room, and also we went for a small walk in the morning. And right now we'll be heading for the breakfast. The plan for the day is to stay at Kaza, right? And on the way we'll be stopping at several different places. Today is going to be a very interesting day because we are going to visit a village. We are going to visit Dankar Monastery, which is going to be like a trek and everything. So we are quite excited about how today is going to be. So now let's have breakfast, and after that we'll put the luggage back on the TT and then like start our journey towards Kaza.
First stop is at Gyu Monastery, which is located at the Indo-Tibetan border. This monastery is at 3,270 meters. This monastery is actually famous for preserving a 500-year-old mummy of Lama Tanga Tenzin. He was a 45-year-old Tibetan monk. If you look closely, you can still see the nails and the eyelashes and bits and pieces of his teeth also. Our second stop is at Tabo Monastery, which is considered to be a very old monastery, dates back to 1996 AD, and it's also known as Ajanta of Himalayas.
We are at Tabo right now. We just finished visiting the monastery. The monastery looks very different compared to the previous one that we visited. It sort of felt like we were in Dubai, especially the sand sculptures around. It's a very nice place. It's a 600-year-old monastery, and I mean, like especially the landscapes around, as usual, is like very very beautiful. And right now we are at this cafe called Maitreya Agency. We have ordered for some momos, and there was one more dish. Yeah, chicken tentuk. So apparently it's like tukka only, but it consists of flat noodles. So we thought like since we are here, let's try something local, and that's what we are having.
Must be hot and careful.
Dude, the chutney is so good and spicy.
It's nice. It's nice.
Oh, this is the noodles. It's very nice. It tastes good. What we had last time, no? Tupka. That's how it is. We liked the food so much that we ended up ordering chili chicken and some cold coffee along with it.
Our third stop for the day is at Dunkar. We decided not to go to the monastery and hike up to the lake.
On the clock, second hand, I make the whole round. Why you still stand on the minute hand? Push away, 'cause I feel too close, feel too close, feel too close. Used to put love on scale, hope for the other side to fail. When the night was enough to talk away the haze of the day.
We're just walking. This bloody lake is not even visible.
I don't wanna be the one, just the one, yeah. I don't wanna be the one that you wanted. I don't wanna be the one, just the one, yeah. Contact software, giving me the look. Your contact software, die just for one hug. Clock second hand, I make the whole round. Why you still stand on the minute hand to push away? 'Cause we feel too close, feel too close. How moments you lie on the side of the
Finally reached the lake. This is what Dhankar Lake is. I mean,
Don't
it's
go.
definitely beautiful,
Don't.
but the trek was very difficult. So, see, the place is definitely beautiful. Okay? The only problem is that while climbing, because it's a dry, like, desert sort of a land, there's a lot of mud that keeps getting into you. Right? Like, that makes it more difficult. It's not the route.
There's no humidity here. That
Yeah.
will make your nose dry.
You feel very dry. Your throat like feels very dry, and you feel like sipping water. And if you sip water, you can't walk more. So it's just like in a loop, you're stuck. But it's definitely very beautiful. It's our first trek actually together, and we thoroughly
I'm proud of
enjoyed
her.
it.
She fought through it.
But this monastery, like we saw from outside, like what I understood is there's nothing like extremely special about how it looks inside, like the architecture inside, but it's just how it's on the mountains. And it's, guys, you'll not believe, it's 6 p.m. and it doesn't look like 6 p.m. at all. It looks like 3 p.m. Yeah. It's so sunny. It's just 18 degrees, but we feel like it's 30 degrees.
Yeah.
It's quite hot. I mean, here it's pleasant. While climbing, it was very hot.
Yeah.
And the route to get here, man, like, I mean, the route to get here is beautiful, but at the same time, like, it's not well paved like how like other places were. Right, especially there is a like I think 10-15 kilometer stretch which is very dusty, and then the entire,
You won't see the trails.
which is very dusty, you'll not be able to see the trails, and then there's a lot of, yeah, that's how it goes. In the TT, there was a lot of like, you know, mitti which was coming inside the tempo traveler. Like we were
Flying
feeling very
stones.
suffocated. There were flying stones also, but it was a different experience altogether.
I
I've
loved
not been on such a kacha road.
I loved
I though, like I was sitting on the window seat, and every time the driver took a turn, I was like, oh fuck, we are going to fall now, because the road was so narrow. But yeah, now we are excited to go climb down. Hopefully that's easy, and then
It's not
we'll
going to
see
be
the monastery, and then head to Kaza and have some good food.
Yes.
That's what I'm excited.
ways that we try, hunt to forge you through this. What you want me to be, my hand just bought you white sand. I given me
Too
love,
dark.
yeah. I died just for one hug. Once you try just to be.
Hello everyone, good morning from the beautiful Kaza. So last night we reached Kaza, it was around 9 o'clock. We just had some dinner and then we slept because we were very tired from the Dankar Lake trek. And today morning, like we just got ready, had some breakfast. We had poha, omelette, and some paratha for breakfast. And we are staying at this hotel called La Kaze, which is a decent hotel. You know, I wouldn't say that it's great or anything of that sort. And one thing I've realized is as we go deep within the valley, like it gets really difficult to like find good places. So don't have too much expectation on the hotels and everything. The plan for today is to go to Pin Valley and visit Mud Village, which is at the end of Pin Valley. Pin Valley is basically a national park in Kaza where you can spot snow leopards. So we are hopeful, fingers crossed, like hoping to spot at least one snow leopard. I hope we're lucky enough where the snow leopard itself like just comes in front of us and we are able to see it. It's a chill day, like we don't have too much planned for today.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards. She says, hey man, there were just too many days.
So we are currently at the viewpoint of Pin Valley. Before getting here, we actually had been to Kungri Monastery. I think it's the biggest monastery that we have been to, no, on this whole trip. There were a lot of monks over there. We also had this opportunity of seeing them pray, which was really nice. And one of the monk told us that they're having some special puja happening.
But they will be praying for 2 straight days.
Yeah. So that was interesting to see. And the people there were so sweet. They even offered us to like have lunch with them. So even we went to the place where the monks have lunch. And then we really enjoyed the lunch. I'm feeling a little out of breath. I think it's because of lack of oxygen.
We're
Yeah.
not used to it.
Yeah. Yes, getting back to the monastery. The food there was amazing. There was dal, chawal, and mixed veg sabji. Like we thoroughly enjoyed it. The
Sabzi
food
was
is
my favorite.
yeah, the food is very satisfying. We in fact like took it twice, I guess, right? Like you know, we enjoyed the food there. And after that, like we came to Pin Valley. So I think like the whole like hype about Pin Valley is the journey itself.
The journey itself and the views that you get
Yeah.
here, especially during winters, I can only imagine how beautiful it would be. So this is the closest you can get to the national park. It's a beautiful place.
The weather is like quite pleasant. It's sunny, but at the same time, it's chill. Right, so the sun basically feels very pleasant on the skin. We are currently at this cafe. We don't know the name of the cafe, to be honest, but it's a very cute place.
Very pretty place.
And it has a very good view as well. So I've ordered for some coffee. Vishal's not having anything as usual because he doesn't like tea, coffee, cold drinks, nothing. He's not a big fan. He only drinks water. I am going to sip on some coffee and enjoy the view.
Nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards. With only hearts.
1 month and
I missed it again. अंदर से देखा मैंने खिड़की में से स्टिकर के
Please. नाइस, रियली नाइस.
हमें डांट पड़ेगी अभी इधर इधर क्यों किया ये सब व्यवहार ये बिजनेस पर्सन में रखने का
नहीं, उसको डांट पड़ा था. थैंक यू. एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं होता है.
चलो.
So we're back in Kaza now. It's like around 7:30. So the plan is just to like go around and explore the market, Kaza market here. Not be going to the monastery because one, it is closed, and the second is it's similar to Comic Monastery. Tomorrow we'll be going to Comic Monastery anyway, so I am just excited to like go around the market, explore some cafes.
गरम गरम
अच्छा है.
हाँ इट्स गुड अगर ये ठंडे में होगा सेम हमने ठंडे में पिया है तो ठंडे में इट वाज रिफ्रेशिंग इसमें थोड़ा वो हाँ इट्स गुड नेचुरली स्वीटन एंड वैसा है नेचुरल फ्लेवर
नहीं, ये फालतू में बोल रहा है ना सबको पिलाने के लिए.
कुछ खराब नहीं है यार पूरा बता देते हैं चीज़ों को
मैंने पूरा नहीं बताया ऐसे.
तरीके से बोला ताकि बिके
Not good.
सोल में ले ले दो सोल में
It's hot.
Not bad. You can try.
So we came to a different cafe for dinner. It's called Cafe Pitti. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.